It's very important to understand the difference between interactions and activities in Dactela. Let's analyze it on the example of an incoming activity. An interaction occurs when a customer is on the phone or chatting, and it can contain several different activities. For example, if a call is transferred to another agent, or if another agent joins a chat. It starts with an activity entering a queue. An activity occurs when an agent is working on a specific interaction. This can be before the actual interaction is created, during it, or even after it has ended. For example, when an agent fills out a form after their call. Let's discuss interactions in more detail. When you open calls, emails, or messages, the time filter will be set to today by default. If you want to see a different time period, select one of the presets or set up your own. Notice that the setting of the time filter will stay permanent, even if you switch to another section within the Listings module. You can also filter by user or queue and their groups, contact, and sender, which will also filter the recipient. Check the crossed-out eye symbol here to view deactivated users and queues. Click Search here to apply your filter. The Advanced filter is just above the search button. As usual, you can click the columns to change the list's sorting. Click Anonymize to remove all personal data from all items in the currently displayed list. If an interaction recording is available, you will have the option to download it here. Click Export to open the export dialog, where you can download a table with all the interactions from the current view in multiple formats. Click the I button in the Actions column to open the interaction details. The top of the detail contains a list of activities that are part of the interaction. Here, you can open the contact or account in the CRM module, pair the activity with an existing contact, or add a new contact. You are also able to play back, download, or delete a call recording. Open the associated ticket if the activity is already linked to one, merge the activity with a ticket, and open or add a new QA review. There are several tabs below the activity list. The Call, Email, or Message tab contains info about the interaction. You can start a new activity by clicking the corresponding icon. The Activity tab contains info about the activity selected in the list of activities. If there is more than one activity in the interaction, select the activity you want to see by clicking its title. The Processing Activity tab contains info about the channels used during the interaction. If a transcript is available for the interaction, it will be displayed underneath. Now that you're familiar with interactions, let's move on to activities, attempts, and QA reviews.